Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to become an Odoo developer. Want to become an Odoo developer and build custom apps, websites? In this video, I'll show you the skills, tools and steps to start your journey as an Odoo developer. The first step is to learn the basics of Python and PostgreSQL. Odoo is built in with Python, so start learning Python syntax, classes and functions, and PostgreSQL, which is Odoo's database system for queries and data management. The second step is to set up an Odoo development environment by installing Odoo on your PC using the GitHub clone https://github.com/odoo/odoo.git and install dependencies like Python and PostgreSQL and required libraries. The third step is to learn Odoo's framework and models. Understand Odoo's models view control, MVC architecture, study keys model, like models ORM database structures, views XML users interface, and controllers Python business logic. The fourth step is to create your first Odoo model. And to do that, just navigate to your Odoo add-ons folder and create a new model, and then modify the model files to customize Odoo's feature. As for the fifth and final step, build and deploy custom Odoo apps by using Odoo Studio for simple modification, and for advanced customization, modify Python and XML file and deploy apps on Odoo SH, DigitalOcean or AWS. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you become an Odoo developer. Learn Python, PostgreSQL and Odoo's framework to start building custom businesses solution. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.